Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And so in today's video I'm going to show you how to get this look. It's an Indian wedding yes makeup tutorial. So without any further ado, let's get started. To moisturize my face, I'm using a Garnier wrinkle lift anti-aging cream. After that, I'm using an argan oil from Good Vibes to give an instant glow within. Now I'm taking a foundation from Nykaa. It's Nykaa Skinshield Anti-Pollution Foundation. This foundation is really good for oily skin. For my brows, I'm taking gel eyeliner from Maybelline, and with the help of an ankle brush, I'll make my eyebrows. So now I'm going to clean up my top and bottom with a concealer. Here I'm taking a concealer from Nykaa. Same concealer I'll be using for my under eyes and my dark spots. Now I'm going to set my concealer with a Lakme rose powder. Now I'm using a Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and starting with a soft brown shade, I'm going to blend my crease all over. From the same palette, I'm using an orange shade and then applying again to my crease line, going from inner corner to the outer corner. And now I'm going to take this darker shade and then again apply to my crease line. Take some concealer, and with the help of a brush I'll make a dot on my eye and make a half cut crease, and I'll set it with the Lakme rose powder. Now I'll be taking this glitter eyeshadow. I'll put the name and the description in my description box. You can check this out. And this eyeshadow I bought it from purple.com. This eyeshadow is a bomb, guys. It's really good, and if you want to buy it, I'll put the link in the description box. Now I'll take this darker shade and then apply it on my outer corner and blend it with the help of a brush. For the liner, I'm taking Lakme liquid eyeliner, which I feel is very easy to use, and I'm trying to make a wing eyeliner here. After that, I'm using an Kajal from Lakme on my lower lash line, and as well as I'll be blending it with a brown eyeshadow. And applying false eyelashes and some mascara. This mascara is from Maybelline. To contour my face, I'm using a concealer from LA Cult Pro on my cheek and on my nose. the help of a brush, I'll blend it out. So here I'm using a contour palette from Maybelline to contour my face. From the same palette, I'll be using the blush also. To highlight my face, I'm using the shades from Makeup Vibration Eyeshadow palette. Yes, you can definitely use some shades to highlight your face. There is no harm. For my lips, I'm using here two lipstick. Both are from Color Bar only. One is Kiss Proof in the shade 001, and another one is Pretty Please in the shade 79. So yeah, I'm done, and this is my final look. I have wore a black saree and added some jewelry. So hope you enjoy watching this video. See you. Bye bye.